If you're seeing a Driver Verifier DMA Violation blue screen error on Windows 11, it usually means one of your drivers is incompatible or causing memory access issues. First, restart your PC and boot into safe mode to prevent the system from crashing repeatedly. Press Windows R, type msconfig, and press Enter. Go to the Boot tab, check Safe Boot, select Minimal, then click Apply, OK, and restart your PC. Once in safe mode, press Windows X and select Device Manager. Look for devices with a yellow exclamation mark, which indicates problematic drivers. Right-click the driver, select Update Driver, and choose Search Automatically for drivers. If updating doesn't fix it, right-click again, select Uninstall Device, then restart your PC normally. Next, disable Driver Verifier to stop it from causing further blue screens. Press Windows R, type CMD, and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open Command Prompt as administrator. Type verifier/reset and press Enter, then restart your PC. After restart, Windows should boot normally without the DMA violation error. If the problem persists, check Windows Update by pressing Windows I, going to Windows Update, and installing all pending updates. Also, make sure your BIOS and chipset drivers are up to date from the manufacturer's website. Following these steps usually fixes the Driver Verifier DMA violation error on Windows 11 completely. If this video helped you fix the blue screen error, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows fixes, and I will see you in the next video.